Hi, my name is Jagdish from Nottingham, UK. Firstly, thank you so much, Saab, for providing the free training on the Forex for Beginners Academy. It was absolutely superb. I really enjoyed that. My journey in Forex started a couple of years ago because I'm looking to retire in the next couple of years, and I thought I'd pick up a new trade and learn something that can help me, support me during my retirement. So really I started my search for online courses and literature. Spent quite a lot of money doing many of the courses, but the results I've achieved have been not desirable. I've spent a lot of time and effort, and I'm not really getting the results that I want. Now, I stumbled across Saab's video on YouTube a couple of weeks ago, and I thought I really enjoy the way he's put things across, so I thought I'd join the academy. The training itself has been really straightforward, easy to understand, and you can actually assimilate the knowledge that you can apply it onto the charts in a straightforward manner. The training covers things like market structure, the basic things like trend lines, support and resistance, time frames, Fibonacci retracements. The part that I liked was mindsets and risk management. But again, the course is really well structured, and you'll understand it in a step-by-step manner. The charting software that I used through the time was TradingView. I took the option of doing the Pro Plus plan for a 30-day trial for free, and being a student of Forex for Beginners Academy, they offered me a discount of 50% on the annual plan, so I'll be looking to take that up once the first month's trial is over. The other benefit is if you're with the Forex for Beginners Academy, they also have a Facebook page for as a private group that you can join. Here you can place your lesson exercises that are set for you, which is marked and checked, and get feedback on, which is absolutely superb because it reinforces your learning. Another thing that you can find on the group is that live trades that people have placed, including Saab, and see why and when they actually took the trade with good reasons. And this is following all the simple techniques that have been shown in the training itself. So I think that was great. Lastly, because the training was free, I wasn't expecting much, and to my surprise, it was exactly what I was looking for. So thank you so much, Saab. I wish Forex for Beginners Academy all the success that it deserves, and you now have a cherished supporter. Thank you so much.